Maurice Roberts, the Budgie Society chairman. I'm chairman of a society of 3,500 members, all people who keep and adore budgerigars. Well, the annual World Championships take place at the Dome, Doncaster. It's an annual show, and we get between something like 1,800 birds up to 3,000 or 4,000 birds annually. It's a tremendous exhibition. It's a great gathering, and it's a fellowship of membership. People actually make a pilgrimage here. There's a lot of overseas people. They come annually, and it's a great gathering. And with budgerigars, we spread a little bit of world peace. Different creeds, different cultures, different colours. Everybody's got the same interest, and it breaks down barriers. It's a great elf ormerod from Preston originally, kept birds all his life, and had a green-fingered effect with birds. He just had an ability to breed very, very good birds. A maestro at breeding them. And he won the show in 75, 76 with a dark green cock. The Budgerigar Society's been going since 1925. It was originally the Budgerigar Club. We asked the King to get involved. He said if we call it society, he would be a patron. So it then turned to the Budgerigar Society. So it's been going several years, and these are some of the greats of the society. There's been many more, and a lot of people before these people, but these are the people in the 1960s onwards that were a great influence on the society.
The photography, I'll make sure you get them to mark them up. To become a champion breeder in this hobby and have a chance of winning at this show, it is all about dedication. With all livestock breeding, you have to be dedicated, and you only get out of the birds for the quality with the time that you put into the birds. It is very time consuming if you want to get to that level. It's all about preparation. Some people spend hours and hours and hours preparing one bird for the show. Why? Because they feel that is their pride and joy, and they want to be able to give it the best chance at the show that they can do. Other people don't do that amount of presentation or that amount of preparation, and unfortunately they always end up the bridesmaids within the classes instead of the bride. I've been a member of the Budgerigar Society since 1982, and for the past 12 years I've been show manager at this great event. I took over from the late great Peter Sanderson, who previous to me had been show manager for the World Show for 20 years. So it is a hobby and a situation that once it gets into your blood you carry on, and it's about, for me, this show this weekend and everybody having a good time, enjoying what they're doing and seeing the way forward with new breeds or better birds as we go forward.
I'm Roy Applin. I come from Dorset, the lower part of England. I'm the BS president for a year from 2013 to 2014, and I'm 6 months through my presidency and finding it very interesting. This is the NEH section, and this bird is the best of the NEH of the dark greens. Unfortunately, it's short of a few flights in one wing. In the class before, it was in a class of 7. In the first 3 had flight problems, and they were the better birds. So I've gone for this bird, which normally it would be really penalised because of the flights, but because there's not a number of dark greens here, this one's taken the award. It's placed second. It hasn't quite got the quality of the bird, head qualities that we're looking for. I mean, as you can see with the first place bird, I mean, you can't miss it because it's quite an eye catcher. But the second one's very smart, but it's not quite enough there. Slightly finer feather. Then the third bird, which is Try and get it on the perch. Just lacking the qualities of the first place winner.
My name's Chris Snell. I'm the judge of the light greens, and I have been breeding budgerigars for 48 years. This is the lineup for the young birds in the light greens. This is the fourth bird, which is an intermediate bird, an excellent quality bird. Before I start, I'd like to say these four birds are all very good. Although this one's fourth in the lineup, it is a super bird. Got a lovely face, nice length, could do a little bit more substance. That's probably its fourth. The bird what's third, again, an excellent bird, a really good bird. It's got size, it's got the depth of face and mask. It could do with a little bit more feather on the head. It's got a few pin feathers, but again, a really excellent bird. Now I'll put the next two together, the second best, which is the best cock bird, and the hen. This cock bird is outstanding. Why have I put it second? The reason I put it second, it has a twisted tail and it has one spot missing, which really, if it didn't have a twisted tail and it had an extra spot in, it would have won. But it's got a lovely face, a really, really outstanding bird. And the bird what won is a hen, a champion hen. Excellent condition. It is a beautiful hen. I think in budgerigars, the hens should look like human women, and the budgerigar cocks should look like us men. That's a beautiful hen, very attractive, gorgeous face, very good condition, top class hen.
57, number 8. And that's owned by the partnership of R&M Miller. And the winner of Best Opposite Sex in Show is... #24, number 9, with a vote of 10-5. Right, I'm going to invite our president to come forward. Will you welcome Troy Applin? And the winner of Best in Show partnership, R&M Miller. Fancy winning Best in Show and failing the judgment exam on the same day. The winner of Best Young Bird in Show, another partnership Don Rowell and Linda Highton.
So no field mixture. So we just plug the mic directly into the
second best in show at the Budgie Society World Championship Show, and it's with a golden-faced grey cock who just missed out on the same award last year, and it's all thanks to my father here, who prepared the bird perfectly over the last few weeks. I can't even begin to describe what it feels like to have won it twice. There's many top breeders in this hobby that go throughout their careers in the hobby and don't achieve this, so it's a tremendous honour, and I am very, very humbled.